Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today we're going to be doing
a cupcake.
Yeah, and is it spooky?
No.
No, it's a cute Frankenstein cupcake, huh? Alright, let's get
started.
Let's get started. Okay. First, we're gonna draw the frosting on the cupcake.
But I can't do it.
You can't do it?
Yeah.
I'll show you how. We're gonna go like this and just make some wavy lines. Yeah, that's a wavy line. Good job. And now we're gonna make a curve because it's a rounded cupcake. Good.
Now eyes.
Yeah, let's do the eyes.
A big eye?
Yeah, we're gonna make one big eye.
Wow.
And then
mine
one,
is so big.
and one a little smaller.
You got smaller eye?
Yeah, one smaller than the other. And then we can fill it in and leave a highlight.
Highlight?
That means just leave a little white space, but you don't have to.
I have to.
Okay. All right, so now his hair
Here?
is kind of like,
A flat one?
goes like this. They're like jagged lines. And then we fill it in. That's cool.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Now we're gonna give him a smile.
A smile, smile, smile.
Can you give him a smile?
Yeah.
And then really small little lines along his smile. Yes. Good job. So good. Okay, now we're gonna make the little rectangle out here and then connect it to his head. So one way you can do it is make a rectangle first and then connect it to his head. We're gonna do it on both sides. Those look like little hands.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Alright, now we're gonna do the bottom of the cupcake. A line, and then another line. And then one more line over there, because you need it all the way across the cupcake. See?
I'm doing it.
Can you make one more line and then connect it? Because you're gonna have lines all across here. This is the bottom of the cupcake. And so you need it to go all the way across. What's wrong?
I don't want to do that.
Okay.
Huh?
I'm just filling in my lines a little bit.
I'm doing mine.
Okay, so I'm gonna take a dark green. Hold on, let me show you first and then you can do it. With a dark green, you take a line and then you make the little marks again. And then I'm gonna draw one more line and make little marks. This is called a scar. So you do it with the dark green on the cupcake. Ouch. Good. And then while you're doing that, I'm gonna take the lighter green and fill in my cupcake. You can keep drawing your line and then you can have this one next. No, you just do your green.
Huh?
Okay, you keep doing your green scar. Very good job. And now you can take the lighter green and color the frosting on the cupcake. And we're gonna turn it to time lapse.
I love this cupcake.
We hope you had so much fun drawing this cupcake with us. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe so that you can see our upcoming videos. Thanks.